Wow, this is Kigali at night. Look at that beautiful. I'm standing nearby the RDB building, in front of RDB building. I just went to Zimba supermarket just to buy some stuff, my shampoo, and while walking back home, this is what I've seen. So let me just take some moments to see the beautiful night on the city of Kigali. Beautiful city. That is the city of Kigali. Time is already 7 o'clock and people are just walking, going home from work, from the supermarket, and of course, because the city is very peaceful, so everybody is walking comfortably, slowly going home. So I'm going home, leaving home now, walking on the street of Kigali. Tanawan, nindot kayo. It's a beautiful bamboo landscaping.